In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and divide cells by clicking in a spreadsheet. If you're working in Excel, Google Sheets, or a similar tool, this is a quick and reliable way to perform basic calculations without memorizing complex formulas. Throughout this walkthrough, I'll refer to each little rectangle as a box, also known as a cell, so you can follow along easily. Let's start by adding values from two boxes. First, click into the box where you want the total to appear. This is your answer box. Type the equals sign. That tells the spreadsheet you're about to create a formula. Now click on the first box you want to add. You'll see its reference appear next to the equals sign. Type the plus sign to indicate addition. Then click on another box you want to include in the sum. You should now see a simple formula that looks like one cell reference, a plus sign, and another cell reference. Press enter. The spreadsheet calculates immediately, and you'll see the result in your answer box. If you need to adjust which boxes are included, simply undo and repeat those same clicks, making sure you start with the equal sign before selecting any boxes. Next, let's divide one value by another using the same click to build approach. Again, click into the box where you want the result to appear and type the equal sign. Click the box that holds the number you want to divide. This is your numerator. Type the / to indicate division, then click the box that holds the number you're dividing by. This is your denominator. Press enter to finish. Your spreadsheet will display the quotient right away. If the result doesn't look right, double check that you chose the correct boxes, use the / for division, and didn't miss the initial equal sign. Also, be aware that the dividing by 0 will trigger an error, so make sure the second box isn't empty or 0. A couple of quick tips as you work. The formula bar at the top shows exactly what you typed, so you can confirm your references and symbols at a glance. If your numbers have many decimals, you can format the result box to show fewer or more decimal places for clarity. And remember, you're not typing the numbers themselves here. You're linking to the boxes that contain them, which means your result will update automatically if the original values change. That's all you need to add and divide values by clicking directly on the boxes. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll build formulas quickly